Hello, welcome to this informative video about artificial intelligence and the great impact it has on education. We will show you some areas where artificial intelligence can be used. But first, what is artificial intelligence? It is a branch of computer science that focuses on the study and development of systems that can perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as, for example, pattern recognition, machine learning, decision making, and so on. These systems actually use algorithms and large amounts of data to improve their performance and learn autonomously. But there are many ways in which artificial intelligence is being used, like in engineering, medicine, and since a few years ago in education. Benefits of using AI in education can be, for example, the personalization of learning needs according to each student, tutoring based on learning style and providing support to the student, automation of repetitive tasks such as grading exams, giving feedback based on the grades obtained to improve a specific aspect, among others. Much of the time, we do not realize the impact that technology has on our lives. Now, there are many applications and websites that offer us alternatives to carry out pedagogical activities or administrative work of our institute or company. For some time now, there have been AI based tools available for us to use, like GPT Chat. This chat can be used to search for answers to different questions, write a script, design a class, write an email, etc. In addition, you can check out Tom, which can be used to create presentations, Dolly2, which generates text, generate images, and Genie AI to generate texts. As we can see, we have several AI tools that we can apply in our daily lives. However, their different use implies challenges, such as lack of high quality data, ethical and liability issues, limited capacity for autonomous learning, etc. It is extremely important to highlight the ethical part, since AI involves applying and using it in a responsible way. UNESCO details the aims, objectives, values, and principles of AI with inclusion, gender equality issues, environmental protection, and ecosystem at its core. As mentioned above, artificial intelligence can also take over some administrative tasks, such as taking evaluations or correcting tests, thus lowering the administrative burden and focusing human time on educational improvements. The time saved thanks to AI could be used in interpersonal relationships. Thus, it will be able to emphasize the moral aspect, values, teamwork, empathy, and creativity of each student. In addition, it will be important to promote participation and dialogue between students, teachers, and other stakeholders to reflect and understand the use of AI and make informed decisions. A very interesting reflection shared by Taiwanese computer scientist and writer Kai-Fu Lee was this.
If we think about how education has developed, it is actually incredibly backwards for the entire humanity. If we think for a moment, think about how entertainment has changed today with Netflix and YouTube and online video and interactivity compared with 100 years ago. Still black and white and even silent movies changed dramatically. Have your mental image of everything that we do every day, right? Our entertainment, communications, social, transportation, and work all dramatically changed. But think about our mental image of a classroom, exactly the same. You still have a teacher lecturing the same way to 20, 30, 50 kids sitting there in desks. You may change from a blackboard to a whiteboard, but the teacher's still teaching the same way. And that cannot be right. Technology has completely revolutionized everything, how we live, play, learn, work, communicate. It has not made the impact to education. And we need to really rethink what the future of education needs to be. If we think about the skill set, artificial intelligence will take away the routine jobs. Yet most of the education in most countries are still teaching each child to be the same robotic, test-taking, high-scoring robot. And children or students will never beat AI in memorizing, studying, conceptualizing, multiple choice, doing math equations, doing chemical equations and formulas, and remembering history. It will never beat AI. So we're teaching children all the wrong things. I think education needs to be rebooted, restarted. Education for the future of the children needs to focus on what humans need to be. Not teaching kids to be AI, but teaching kids to do things AI cannot do.
In conclusion, AI is already part of our lives and it will become more and more prominent. It is being used in working life. Lawyers are using it in their practice. The justice system is using it. All professions are using it. I believe that rather than despising it or thinking that it is the ultimate solution for everything, we must gradually incorporate it because it is undoubtedly a tool that will accompany us in our education and professional life.